Grip helps out me and my family. We were just trying to have a roof over our head. I know other people stayed there before and after me, so I just want to give back. I'm Najee Harris, and I'm part of Lowe's home team. So Grip is a homeless shelter. We're renovating. We're doing the fences, floors, the playground. We also did landscaping too. My mom always teaching how to give back. She's really inspirational. My mom helped me get here.
We were sleeping in a car, and then we moved here to Grip, and it was a way to get some stability going. So to come back and be able to help out, it makes me feel good in my heart.
I supported the project from a distance. I couldn't be there, but I donated a barbecue grill. I gave him a new sign, and I signed a jersey too, just to kind of boost morale.
Everything that Lowe's is doing, all the volunteers that are here, all the wonderful people that are helping out, Lowe's cares. Lowe's is willing enough to give back.
It's always good to have somebody like Lowe's on your side who can help change a lot of people's lives, just like how I'm trying to do it. I'm Najee Harris, and I want you to join me this season on Lowe's Home Team. Check out Lowes.com/home team to learn more about the Lowe's Home Team.